We're here in Paramus, New Jersey with a brand new construction, 6 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms, and 6,000 square feet of living space. Let's go check it out. Quartz countertops and also quartz backsplash that goes all the way up to the ceiling, and there's many more. Let's go take a look. And when you walk in from the kitchen, you're welcomed by an open living room area with, again, a triple height foyer ceiling, and you can see right straight upstairs to the second floor. One of the best features about this home is this wine cabinet. Look how large this cabinet is. Another great benefit of this home is you got this railing overlooking the living room, but that's not the best part. Let's go check out the master bedroom.